Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, guys. Here we are going to see how to open up an account on ARBION trading platform. So, when you open up your invitation link or the invitation link of someone who invites you, you are going to see this one. You are going to see this background. So to open up account, firstly you go direct to this button. Then click on it. After click on it, you see here connect wallet. Since you tap on email, you will see registration details here. You are going to see register now. Here you put like your username. Let's see Claude. Then email, you put like claude@24gmail.com. Here you put like passwords. Let's put like this. Here you put passwords. After here you confirm registration here. So because the email character, let's put another. Press registering and wait a little bit. So here you see registration was successful. After registration is successful, what you need to do is log in and start exploring your ARBION trading platform. Stay in touch, guys. Let's continue working together. Bye bye.